Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 5 of the playing with numbers. So now let us see this exercise. Find the LCM of the following numbers by listing down the common multiples. So here whenever you have to find out the listing down means these are the numbers given. So 13 means you have to see they have used the word multiples means you have to use the table of 13. 13, 26, 39 and 52 and so on. For 26, 26, 52 and so on. So now we have to see the common between them. This 26 is common, 52 is common, and this because we want the LCM of that, what are we going to see? From this now the common are 26 and 52. So we are going to take the smallest number. So that will is 26. Now again for 5 and 15, 5, 10, 15. So these are the commons. So for the LCM means you are going to take the smallest one, that is 15. Same here. So you will take 6. Same here for 12 and 16, 48 and 96. So this is 48. So 10 and 25. So what you can see common over here? This is 50 and then 100. So 50 and 100. So this is the smallest is 50. Again here. So you can see here is just 42 and then there will be some number after this one. So first number is 144. So 144. So now this they said find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization. This is the prime factorization. So now here always in prime factorization what you have to do, start with the 2 number 3, 4. You cannot jump with the higher one. So 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. 2 24s are, because this is not possible, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. So these whatever you can see, these are the factors. So 32 the factors are this one, and again for 48 the factors are this. So now you have to see which are the common ones. So 2 2 2, this is 16. So now uncommon are this, whatever remains, these are the uncommon ones. So in this one, when we want to find out this prime factor, with the help of the prime factor, we'll first write the common ones and then write these are the uncommon ones. So 16 6 is 96 is the LCM of it. Again for 22, 21 and 42, this goes with 3, 7. So these are the factors. You can have a look at it. So now what is common over here? 3 and 7. So these are common. So 3 7s are 21 and then this is uncommon. So here when you write the LCM, you will write this 21 into 2. That is 42 is the LCM. Here there are 3 numbers. So these are the factors of it. Now you will see from here which are the common ones. So 5 and 5 are the common, means that is 25. What remains uncommon means 2 and 6, that is 6. So 25 into 6, that is 150 is the LCM. Now for this number, so here what you can see common, now see here this 2, because these are the 3 numbers. So now this 2 is common, and then whenever you have 3 numbers, then you can also consider here these 2 numbers also, because here we don't have, in the third number we don't have 2. So we can just write here this also we can consider as the common one. So this 2, and now again here we don't have 11, but we can take these 2 numbers, that is 11, and then what remains here is 2 2 and 2. This is the uncommon one. This is a different type. So 44 into 8, that is 352. Again here you can see in this one we have just 2 in 2 places, that is for just 12 and 14 we have this 2, and here again we have only in 2 numbers, that is for 3, and then this remains the uncommon one. So this is 420. Again here what we can see, in 2 places only we have for this and this we have 2, 3 places we have, and here we have again we can see for 3, again for 3 we have only for 2 numbers, and again for 7 also we have for 2 numbers. So now this all comes under the common ones. We don't have uncommon for this one. So LCM is 504. Now here again the find the LCM of the following numbers by common division method. Common means division method means you will take both the numbers here together. See this one, the factorization means you will take three separate numbers and do the factors. Here in the common one means you will take these two numbers at a time. So again what will you do? You will start with 2 here. So this is not possible by 2. So this will be possible by 2. So 27 will be as it is. Now this is not, these both are not possible by 2. You will go with 3 nines and 3 fives. Again what will you do? This is not possible with 2 but by 3 threes and 3 fives. Again we'll do for 3 ones, but 5 is not possible. So write 5 as it is. And now you'll go 5. This one will write as it is and 5 ones. So these are the factors of 27 and 19. So now see here, we will write the given numbers in the row separated by commas and then divide the given number by the smallest prime number, because these are the prime numbers, the smallest prime number. So whatever these factors you get at this one, that is 270. Again for this one, see here, 2 15s are, this is not possible, so write 45 as it is. Then these both are not possible by 2, go with 3 fives are and 3 15s are. Again 3 fives are and 5s are, 5 ones are, 5 ones are. So these whatever you get 90. Again for this, what you can do, 2 18s are, 2 36s are, and then this will be 2 nines are, then 2 18s are, and this is 9. Again 2 nines are, and this is 9. 3 threes are, and 3 threes are. 3 ones are, 3 ones are. So these whatever you get, these are the factors of it, that will be 144. 2 18s are, 2 21s are, 2 14s are, 2 nines are, 2 sevens are, and this is 21 as it is. So now 3 threes are, 3 sevens are, and this 7 as it is. 3 ones are, 7 and 7 as it is. Now this 1, 7 ones are, and 7 ones are. So these whatever you can see, these are the factors, that is 252. Again here, this is 150. These are the factors and the LCM is 150. Again now look at these three numbers, that will be 2 12s are, 2 18s are, 2 36s are, 2 6s are, 2 9s are, 2 18s are, 2 3s are, 2 9s are, and this 3 is not, 9 is not possible by 2. So write 9 as it is. 3 ones are, 3 threes are, and 3 threes are. So now again this 1 as it is, 3 ones are, 3 ones are. So you got here 1 1 1 play. So you have to stop at this stage, and these are the factors, and you have to multiply it, and the LCM is 72. Now here this is toy train A. This is A, toy train crosses a pole after every 24 seconds. Then toy train B crosses the pole after every 30 seconds, and toy train C crosses the pole after every 36 seconds. Find how many minutes do they cross the pole together. To find the time, we have to take the LCM of this what? 24, then 30 and 36. So we can do by this one. Now we have seen how to take the factors of it. So you get, these are the factors. So the LCM is 360 seconds. So they want the answer in minutes. After how many minutes? So we got the answer whatever was in seconds, because here this is in seconds given after every this. So what will you do here? 60 seconds means 1 minute. So we got how many seconds? We got 360 seconds. So this seconds, one below the other, you can write over here, and then you can cross multiply. We don't know how many minutes over here, so you can cross multiply over here. So now what happens here, whenever you cross multiply, the two numbers whatever you get at this one, that should be written in the numerator, and this single number what you get over here, that should be in the denominator. So this is very important. So now what will you do? This and this will get cancelled. So this is 6 minutes. So we can say that after 6 minutes, three trains cross the pole together. In a lightning, green light blows after every 12 seconds. Red light blows after every 30 seconds, and blue light glows after every 34 seconds, and the yellow light glows after every 50 seconds, 56 seconds. Find the least time in minutes after which they all glow together. So again, to find the time means we have to take the LCM of these four numbers. And this one, four numbers are here. So now you can take the same way, you can take the LCM over here by 2. This goes with 2. Then keep on trying. So whatever the factors you got here, so that you have to complete this, multiply it, and the answer will be 14280, but that will be in seconds. Again, we want the answer here. They said how many minutes. So we have to convert this seconds to minutes. So 60 seconds is 1 minute. So this will be here below this one. That will be how much? So you will again cross multiply over here, because these are the two numbers you are going to write in the numerator, and this 60 will go in the denominator, and when you divide this one, you get 238 minutes. So after 238 minutes, the light will all glow together. Find the smallest 4-digit number that can be divided by this number. So again, you will take the LCM with this one. So these are the factors. So LCM of this, that is 2772. Now here, see here, find the least number which when divided by 33, 44 and 55 leaves remainders 31, 42 and 53. So this will be what you have to do, this and this, this and this, and this and this one. So you are going to least number whenever they give, which when divided means first you have to subtract that. 33 minus 31, that will be 2. 44 minus 42, that is going to be 2. Again 55 minus 53, that is going to be 2. So now what will you do? If you take away 2 from the LCM of this one, we will get the required number. So what did we get here? So now what will you do here? 33, 44, 55. So this you are going to do with the same here. So now LCM of this one, you got this 660, right? So you got these factors of this one, 660. But now what you can see, that in every number, we have the difference is 2. Isn't it? When we subtracted this, we got the difference as 2. So what are you going to do? From this one, from the final answer, you are going to subtract. So the required number is 660 minus 2, that is going to be 658. So this is the answer. Hope you got it. This is important. This. Find the least number which when divided by 60, 120 and 180 leaves a remainder of 5 in each case. So first we'll take the factors of this one. So these are the factors. So now what did you get here? 360. So now they asked least number which when divided by leaves the remainder of 5. The remainder is 5 over here. So what you are going to do here? You are going to add over here. So that will be 365. Find the smallest 4-digit number that is divisible by 20 and 60. Also find closest to and less than 3000 that is divisible by them. So now 20 and 60, we will find the factors of it. That will be 60. So now what will you do here? They have asked also find the closest to and less than 3000 that is divisible by them. So now first we'll take the multiples of this 60. Then yeah. So 60 is the multiples of 60 here, because we got the LCM of this 60. So the multiples of 60 are 60, 120, 180 and so on till here we got it. So what we can say, therefore 1020 is the smallest 4-digit number that is divisible by 20 and 60. And when 3000 is divided by 60, so the quotient is what? When you divide 3000 by 60, what do you get here? 6 ones are and 6 5s are 30 and this is 0. So the quotient is 50. So what will you do? 50 multiplied by 60 is 3000. So which is not less than 3000. So 49, what you can see, because this 50 is, this is 3000, right, which is not less than 3000. So what will you do? Again, you will take one number less. Instead of 50, you will take 49. 49 multiplied by 60, that is going to be 2940, because they asked that closest to and less than 3000, they said what will be the number. Hope you got this one. So see here, you got the LCM as 60. So what will you do? You will divide 3000 by 60. So you get 50. But when you multiply by this one, you get 3000, which is actually not less than 3000. So you will take one number less than that, that is 49 multiplied by 60, that is 2940. So we can say 2940 is the number closest to and less than 3000, that is divisible by 20 and 60. Hope this is clear to you. You can have a look at it again later. Find two numbers closest to 5000 which are divisible by this. So again we took the factors. After taking the factors, you got 252, and they were asked which are the divisible by this one closest to 5000. So you will take the multiples of 252. So now can you see here? After taking the multiples here, you can see 5040. Here, these are all the multiples of 252. When you keep on doing, you get here 50 because we want to see closest to 50. So we can say the two closest number multiples are, which is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So can you see 252 times 19 and 252 times 20, because these are the closest one. So we can say multiples are 19 and 20, which are corresponding to which correspond to the numbers. This is 47. Hope this is clear to you, because they are asked the closest to that. Therefore, the two numbers closest to 5 which are divisible by this are these two numbers. Hope that is clear to you. So now here it said complete the following table. This is the first number, second number, SCF and LCF. So these are the things given, and you have to find out the blue, whatever I wrote in the blue, this is already given in the question over here, and these were the blanks. So now let us see how to do this one. So now you have, we want the SCF, first number and the second number is given. We want to find out the SCF and the LCF. So now we know the factors of 9 will take, factors of 12 will take, that is 3 into 3, and 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM for this one is, this is common. So you will take common, and these are the uncommon ones. So these are the uncommon ones. So when you multiply all together, you get 36. So SCF here is, so LCM is 36, and the SCF here is 3. Hope you got this one. Same for here one, or you can also find out this with this formula now. Now in the second case, what we can see, first number is given, HCF and LCM is given. In the first case, even the SCF and LCM both were not given, so this was the way to find out. In the second case, second number is not given, so we have the formula LCM into HCF is first number into second number. So you have to remember this formula. So now you know that is LCM and HCF is given. The first number also is given, that is 15. You can have a look at the table, and the second number is not given. So what will you do here? 5 into 75, this is on the left side, you'll keep as it is, but this is equal to, so now after that is 15 is on the right hand side. When it comes on the left hand side, it is going to get divided, and this is on the its place. So now what will you do? 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15, 3 ones are 3, 25s are. So answer is 25. The second number is 25. Again for the third one, it's given, these are given, the first number is not given. Again we'll use the same formula, LCM into SCF is first number into second number. You just plug in the values over here. First number we don't know, 30 is the second number, so this write as it is in the numerator, but 30 is in the on the right hand side. If it comes here on the left hand side, it is going to get divided, and again here. So what will you do? 31s are 32s are, so 6 2s are 12. So first number is 12. Now in the fourth case, again you can see these are given, and the LCM and HCF is not given. So you can just, like the previous, the first problem, you can take the factors of 22 and 66, and then you will take the common ones and the uncommon. Common is this one, uncommon is this one. So LCM is common into uncommon, so that is 66. And HCF, what we can see here, HCF is only, in HCF we take the common one. So see, 2 and 11 is the common one. So 2 and 11 is common, so HCF will be 22. So SCF means only common, and LCM means common into uncommon. Hope you got this one. Again, in the this one, the first in the E, you can see, have a look at the table because it's not possible to scroll again. So now this is the first number is not known, the second number is known, and this LCM and SCF is known. So now this is in the numerator and this goes in the denominator. So this first number. So 7 ones are 7, 6 are 42, 6 ones are and 6 35s are. So the 35 is the answer for the first number. Now for each of the following pairs, verify LCM into SCF is product of given numbers. So these are the given numbers. So 14 is equal to, we have to take the factors, that is 2 into 7. 26 is 2 into 13. So LCM, you know, you just take the common and then you take the uncommon ones, that is 182. SCF is just the common one, that is 2. So now we'll see, we have to prove that LCM into SCF is product of two numbers. So what will be LCM into SCF? LCM we got as 182 and HCF we got as 2. So when you multiply this, you get 364. So this is the left hand side, you got 364 and you have to see the product of two numbers. So now the product of two given numbers means what will you do? Product of this two numbers, these are the two numbers, right? 14 into 26. So when you multiply 14 into 26, what do we get? 364. So that means this is equal to this one. So we can write hence LCM into SCF is product of given numbers. This is very easy. So now 25 and 60, 25 you take the factors, 60 you take the factors, you take the common and the uncommon means LCM you get as 300. SCF what? Only the common means 5 is common over here. So LCM into SCF means 300 into 5. And the product of two numbers means you are going to multiply this into this. Of course, you will get 1500. So we will write here LCM into SCF is product of given numbers. Everything is given, but we have to put in a proper order. Again, here for 68 and 91, you can also find out the factors with the help of the prime factorization if they are big numbers. Small numbers, just I did it directly, or you can also use the prime. This is the prime factorization method. You can take this help of this to find out the factors of it. So now, see, the same one is given over here. 2 34s are, 2 17s are, 17 ones are. So these are the factors of 68. Again, for this one, it's not possible with 2, 3 and all that. Only possible with 7 and this is possible with 13. So these are the factors. So now what you can see, here you don't have anything common. Can you see? Nothing is common means these all are uncommon, but that all you have to take together, and that is 6188 is the LCM. And HCF for this one, again you can see, since you don't have anything common, but always there is 1, the number itself. Here, whenever you have, that is, whenever you have any number, you have to multiply by 1. Hope that is clear. 1 will be always there in every number. So here, this is going to be 1. The SCF is 1. Hope you got this, is very important. So here LCM into SCF, that will be 6188 into 1 and the product of these numbers is given as 28. These are the two numbers and that is, so you can just write this. Again here, you can use the prime factorization method as well if you want for these numbers. You can try by that one. These are the factors of it. So see here the common is, and this is LCM is 1989. So when you multiply, you get product of numbers. These are the numbers given. So when you multiply again, you get the same. So both are same means you write here LCM into SCF is product of given numbers. Again, this also you can do with the help of the prime factorization also, and you can have a look at it. What are the factors? This is what you can find. Again, the same, you can have a look at it because everything is, we have done lot of problems on the LCM and SCF. Same thing over here. Now look at the problem over here. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 6 and 360. If one of the numbers is 24, find the other number. This is just given in the word form. It's the same. You don't have to worry. When they say LCM and HCF of two numbers are 6, and this means HCF is 6 and LCM is 360. This is important, how to find out. And the one of the numbers means first number, suppose we consider, and in one number is 24. The other number we don't know. So same thing, we are going to use this formula. LCM into SCF is first number, and these are the numbers given. LCM 360, below this you will write here HCF 6, so you will write here. First number is 24, you will write here. Second number we don't know. Same method will follow. And this is going to get divided. So when you divide this, and you get 90. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts.